Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So we can start to sketch out a bullish breakout scenario. It did not break down from here. This could still be a wave 4. Yeah, it could still be a wave 4 in a diagonal pattern as this one is, where I still ideally would like to have one more low. Ideally, you can obviously have an overlap between waves 4 and 1. That's absolutely not a problem in a diagonal pattern. So the scenarios are currently morphing into each other here on the silver chart. It would have been nice and easy to get a sell-off here to the downside in a fifth wave. Doesn't seem to happen. Therefore, we can explore the possibility of a breakout scenario. Not a problem, because as you know, we hit my larger reversal area here, which can, as you know, or which basically allows us the assumption that the overall bear market could have ended. That was the case for the first time when we hit this support area. We only touched it, but we did touch it and reversed of it. And it didn't look like an impulsive reversal. It's not an ideal pattern here, but we will have to consider it as a possible breakout scenario, given the latest strong move to the upside. But there are certain conditions that need to be fulfilled. So I still leave this scenario on the chart, guys. We still have a possibility, a strong possibility, that we're going to break down from here. The problem in diagonal patterns is that the waves do not necessarily perfectly adhere to Fibonacci levels. So as you can see, we are currently retracing in this wave 4, and we are about to reach the 61.8% Fib level. That is an important retracement level where silver can still reverse and break down from. The 61.8% Fib level, $23.61. Be aware of that. But how would a possible breakout scenario look like? We still want to be careful with that, but nevertheless, let's sketch it out. In my opinion, what we have here is, let me just see, did think about that before. We've got here on the chart a wave 1, then we have an A overshooting wave B and C down. So basically this would be a wave 2. We are then, based on this scenario, in a wave 3. We will have a wave 4 down and a wave 5 to the upside. I'll put that chart into a different color so we can distinguish it. So the pink count here is the bullish breakout count. It would then indicate that here in this wave 3, that's currently where we are and what we need to look at. So in the wave 3, that's the scenario we need to sketch out in detail. We talk here as well about a wave 1. Let me just see. Let me just make that a bit. We need to go to the 1 hour chart. So there you go. So here on this chart, okay. So we look at the chart as another wave 1, 2, and I'm change the wave degree in a minute. Here wave 3, we came down in a 4, and we are basically now in a fifth wave here to the upside, and we talk about which where's it gone? Which price target we should reach as well. So let's just change the wave degree here. Okay, so we've got that now. So target for the fifth wave, that's now important. For that, we take the length of the wave 1 and we go to the low of the fourth wave. And then we look at an ideal target here of $23.71. That is what we would want to see at least of this fifth wave. 23.71 can of course go higher. Yeah, sometimes you get these fifth waves all the way up to the 2.618 extension, at 25.64. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna sketch out here a target for this fifth wave. This is the target that would need to be reached to, well, let's say convince us that we are indeed here in a breakout scenario. We can also calculate just the target for the third wave here in pink. We can just do that as well, but this is probably a smaller one. Let me just do that as well. The 1.61, yeah, don't worry about that. Okay, but yeah, this would be the target that would ideally need to be reached here for this fifth wave of the third. Then we would come down in a fourth and move up even higher in a fifth wave. If we get these 5 waves, only then I would really want to confirm that we have a breakout, that we are in this breakout pattern. Still skeptical, and anybody who missed an entry here, I wouldn't worry, because usually what you get when you get these, let's say the pink wave count here complete in 5 waves, this would then again count as wave 1, and we would then come down in wave 2, which would provide another entry point and actually be lower risk, because you have a chance to buy in the support area and you would know, or at least have a stronger indication, that a low has really been made here. Because if you get a 1-2 setup, that these are really good trade setups. At the moment it's still a bit uncertain, as you can see. Even if we count it like that, we still have only 3 waves. Yeah, we haven't got the 5. I would want to see the 5 and then 3 waves down. That would be a good indication that a low has been made here for silver. Okay, and that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.